So welcome to my car. This is Luna. She's a light silver rear wheel drive Model 3 long range battery. And I'm a very practical person. So basically all of my choices have been about maximizing the range and making it really easy to clean and making it hard to tell when it's dirty because I don't have a garage parking spot. I live in the city and she lives outside. So as you can see, she's actually really filthy, but from far away, it really doesn't show. Light silver is the best color for hiding dirt. I did get a ceramic coating on the paint done by a professional detailer because I wanted Luna to be really easy to clean. And so occasionally I visit friends or family and they have a driveway with a hose and I can do a proper wash. And just with a high pressure hose, I can get most of the grime off. I don't have a hose or an outlet next to my parking spot. A bunch of pollutants and like bird droppings and everything get on my car usually, and if you have that layer between the paint and the outside world, it'll protect the paint from getting chemically damaged. So that's why I did the ceramic coating. I went with the 18-inch wheels with the Aero hubcaps because I love high mileage and I just love extending my range as much as possible. And the other tire sizes, sometimes you can get flats a lot more easily. So I just wanted, with all the terrible roads in the city, I just wanted to avoid getting flat tires as much as possible. For the winter time, I did switch out my floor mats for all-weather mats. For Christmas, I got the official Tesla all-weather mats, and they're great because you can just hose them off when they get dirty instead of the carpet ones that you have to shampoo or something like that. And I'm going to do one more modification because the center console is piano black and very shiny. It shows every speck of dust. It shows every fingerprint. And I can't wait to put this metallic brushed silver coating on that I got from the internet. I also got it for Christmas, so I'm super pumped. That's the next thing I'm gonna do. It's not gonna show fingerprints and it just looks gorgeous. So that was my Tesla Model 3. That was Luna.